Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how you can add animations to your text on CapCut PC. So here I've already opened the apps and I want to just add the text first. So I'm going to click on text and add the text that I want. Click on default text, add it to track, and then here at the text box, just change the text that you want. So I'm going to just let's dance, and you can also change the font in here. For example, I wanna change it. Okay, that's one. And then to animate the text, you can just click on the text and then here go to the animation tab at the top right panel here, animations, and here you can choose which one that you want to use. You can just try it one by one to make the right animation for your tags. There are also three category: in, out, and also loop. I'm going to try loop, and I'm going to try the rotate, this one. Okay, so it'll go like that, and you can also adjust the speed to make it slower. You can just swipe it to the right. To make it fast, you can swipe it to the left. I'm going to make it slower like this. So you can always adjust the text and also the animations as you wish. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos.